Hey, what is up YouTube? This is Lost Inferno Fire Dragon here, and I've got 18 packs of Digimon card game New Awakening. Okay, 18 packs. I got some from Walmart and Barnes & Noble. So we'll go ahead, open from the left, go to the right. Yeah, this is gonna be rough. I can say that much. Okay, we'll go ahead and move the packs there, and we'll move the packs there. Okay, we have Surfymon, Kugawamon, Psychemon, Master Tyrannomon, Armor Texture, Ecomon, Frozomon, Pandemonium Flare, Gurimon, Kari, Frostvelgermon, and Oriumon. Sweet. Secret rare. So I'll go ahead and put that there. Put our rare there. And we'll put the rest right here. I wonder if opening them from the bottom would be easier. Or just open the seam from the back. Probably just make it easier to open. Ah, crap. Okay, we have Lightning Blade, Angemon, Soulmon, Exermon, Skullmerimon, Armor Texture, Surfymon, Cyclonemon, Cherubimon when he was good, Samada Santi. Oh, Davis and Ken actually do need that. And we have another Oriumon. We have Digimon, Patamon, Karatemon, Gazemon, Disaster Blaster, Captain Hookmon, Miss Memory Boost, Cyclonemon, Cherubimon, Samada, Sylphimon, and Cody. Rare and rare. So our two rares are going to go there. Hey, we have Top Gun, which it has Sylphimon in it. We just pulled Sylphimon. Pulsemon, Thundermon, Miss Memory Boost, Angemon, Diggermon, Kyukimon, Hawkmon, Kogomon, Namakomon, Climbmon. Oh, Imperial Dramon fighter mode. Definitely putting that to the side since I need that. But that's an SR. Actually, let's go ahead and put the ones we need up there, so at least everything's in frame. Konami, do something about these tears. They're not fun to deal with this. Bail Gamamon, Fangmon, Captain Hookmon, Jiggermon, Kyukimon, Senbon Dokkan, Patamon, S. Ryugen, Bibimon, Dino Human, Clanmon, and we have Ophanimon Fallen Down mode. Wow. We are just pulling SR after SR. Man. I'm kind of glad I bought the... kind of got the cards from that Walmart over in Greenville now, because most of these are from that Walmart. We have Pulsemon, Fangmon, Kyukimon, Fire Rocket, Pissmon, Senbone, Gazemon, Vmon, Ryusen Fury Mode, Terriermon, Cody, and Metal Greymon. Okay. You. Okay, so I'm gonna put... I just gotta move everything up a little. Oh, there we go. Found the trick to deal with them. There we go, we're good now. We have Miss Memory Boost, Quilamon, Patamon, Bestimon, Captain Hookmon, Top Gun, Fangmon, Cyclonemon, Cherubimon, Samehada, Hero, and we have Yuji. Two tamers which are pretty good, especially for the X antibody. I know in BT09, X antibody is going to go through the roof. Karademon, Thundermon, Gazimon, Candlemon, Lightning Blade, Snow Agumon, Skull Satomon, Samehade, Santi, Innocence Blizzard. We have Kyokimon, Helismon, and Metal Greymon, which are both rares. We have Fangmon, Captain Hookmon, Driggermon, Kyukimon, Senbone, Patamon, Disaster Blaster, Demimaramon, TK, Cyclomon, Agumon, and Sylphimon. Next onto our another almost dropped it. You have Enkailomon, Ginryumon, Fire Rocket, Pulsemon, Betsumon, Solmon, Greymon, Kyokumon, Femon, Kari, Gigadeath, and Climon. That's actually pretty good. I might have to actually build black antibody. Oh, son of a gun. Oh well. Sorry about that. We've got Hookmon, Battle Gamamon, Kyukimon, Scorpiumon, Thundermon, Soulmon, Pistimon, Vmon, Demimaramon, Cyclomon, Yoli, Inoue, and Kodihida. Just ignore any and all background noise because my brother is an idiot and doesn't know how to keep his mouth shut. But yeah, if you're excited to see me do more Digimon openings, definitely be subscribed and click the bell so you won't miss any future openings. Hookmon, Top Gun, Senbone, Dokkan, Solmon, Jiggermon, Snow Agumon, Ultimate Brachymon, Namakon, Rasen Fury Mode, Skull Knightmon Cavalry Mode, Digimon Emperor, and Rapidmon. When one of your opponent's level 5 or lower Digimon is deleted, you may suspend this tamer, draw 1. When one of your opponent's Digimon level 3 is moved from the breeding area to their battle area, gain 2 memory. Ooh! That would be really good with certain decks. We have Senbone, Battle, Spinomon, Kachimimon, Captain Hookmon, Ultimate Brachymon, Thundermon, Dinohuman, Divimon, Gurumon, Flame Dramon, and ooh, we have SR Chimeramon. Let's go ahead and move our stack of commons out of the way. We have Fangmon, Top Gun, Disaster Blaster, Mushroomon, Catchmemon, Snowagumon, Fire Rocket, Pandemonium Flame, Guryumon, Plasma Shot, Hellsmorn, and Yuji. We have Master Tyrannomon, Ecumon, Kokomon, Psychemon, Captain Hookmon, Mushroommon, Kyukimon, Kyokomon, Vmon, Kari, Hellsmorn, and Bancho Maimon. That's pretty funny. We have Diggermon, Patamon, Thundermon, Gazemon, Kendallmon, Hookmon, Pulsemon, Hawkmon, Hiyuraimon, Armadillomon, Ryutamon, and Shokomon. Huh. Lightning Blade, Psychemon, Kawagamon, Surfymon, Ecumon, Master Tyrannomon, Armor Texture, Samahata, Innocence, Kyokimon, Frost Valgrimon, and Shivamon. SR, rare. Last pack. Can we end off with Imperial Dramon Paladin mode? Or what are we going to end with? Because I cannot wait to get this deck built. We have Karatemon, Dreamon, Ginryumon, Captain Hookmon, Skullmeramon, Greymon, Skull Seitomon, Aesurju, Bibimon, Cheruvimon, Mistymon, and Digi-Emperor. Oh, not that bad of an opening. Hope you guys enjoyed the opening. So far, probably my favorite pulls are, I had to say, Imperial Dramon and Davis, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the opening, and this is Lost Inferno Fire Dragon, signing off.